Good afternoon everyone from Nara. Today I'm actually staying in a traditional Japanese house. I've literally just checked in. I haven't looked inside or anything like that. So let's pop inside this place in the Villa West and see what it's like. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. It's been quite humid outside today. Let me, so there's a little area here, I guess, for maybe washing your feet, I don't know. Let me just take my shoes off. I've literally just dropped my bags off there. And let me hang my coat up. Right folks, let's have a look at the place. Yeah, we've just come in through the sliding door there. There's a camera inside. Don't like that, that's a bit weird. And this is the place. So, very traditional Japanese, like sunken floor with a table there. We've got a little teapot and some tea. Television's on. We've got a fridge here. Doubt there's anything in it. Nope. But we have one. Bin. What's in here? Is this locked? This must be maybe the host's storage. So yeah, funny little table here. We've got a little kitchen area, a little oven, microwave, rice cooker, a hob, a little kettle with the old gooseneck. I do like the stainless steel sink though. I like the doors. It does smell like wood in this place. It smells like a carpentry shop. I quite like it actually. Right, we'll come back to this room in a minute. This is quite a special room. In here, what a jingle. We've got the lavatory. Very nice, with the old controls on there. The bidet washes your backside, this, that and the other, and the little sink on, so when you flush it, I'll show you. It fills back up, but it has a little tap so you can wash your hands with that water to save water. Although I've just wasted water, but I don't think there's any shortage here. It's been raining quite a lot. Sink, oh wow, terrible water pressure. Probably because that toilet's filling up actually. Right, let's keep going along. Washing machine. What's this? Oh, normal door. Yeah, like, I don't know, what is this? Like an outdoor thing to wash your feet or something? I don't know. Just a little thing. Ouch. Yeah, not really sure what that's all about. Let's get that shut. Right. Let's go upstairs. Oh, the lights come on automatically. I really like the staircase. The wood's lovely. You can really smell, yeah, it smells very traditional, let's put it that way. Right, so what have we got here? Oh, it's quite big actually. We've got this big area over here. These look like tatami mats or whatever. With the beams there and a massive television, so I guess you can't really stand up here. Can I stand? Oh, I can actually, yes. But you've got the beam sort of in the way. Where's the light switch? Oh, yeah. Right. So I can stand up, sort of, but you are like in the roof. You've got to wash your head here. But yes, I guess you can oh, you really sink into this beanbag, lie down on this and watch some television. It's a very big telly. and you've got an air conditioner over there. And I guess you can make this up into like a room as well. A lot of people can sleep here, but I won't be sleeping here. I'll be sleeping over there. There, they've got some sort of protective stuff there so you don't bang your head. Well, if you do bang your head, it's not going to be too painful. Right, where's the... If I walk past the switch here... No. Alright, glorious. Okay, so here is some more stuff. What's up here? Oh, another toilet. Nice. We've got two toilets there. So one downstairs, one upstairs. That'll be good if I need it at night. And we've got this here as well, which, how traditional looking is that? We've got those walls with like I don't know if it is rice paper, but I'm going to call it rice paper. Gotta be careful because you can easily put your finger through it. No sliding doors, like a little vanity area, I guess you could say. And then big old bed. Big old bed for me, and a telly there. So, ooh, and then nice and soft, glorious. Let's see what's over here. A wardrobe, I'm guessing. Yeah, quite a big wardrobe. Tell you what, this house is much bigger than I expected. Didn't even cost me that much. If you wonder how much it cost me, I'll put it on the screen now. I think it was only like £100 or £150 for the night. Wasn't anything crazy. For a whole house. We've even got a little balcony area. I guess you have to climb through the window? There's a protective screen here. I don't know how you get that down. Stuff like that, okay. Well, I'll not leave this open for very long because it's very humid. Oh God. Doesn't sound very stable, the floor here, for someone of my weight. Yes, we have a nice little view out here. Nice view of an electrical tower. Or like a electrical pole, I guess you'd call it. And that's downstairs, that's our street. Right, let's get back inside. It's so hot and I don't want any insects coming in either. Have been bitten a couple times by mosquitoes on this trip. And yeah, not a fan of mosquitoes. There we are. Shut them blinds, I guess, or the blind wall. Right, so far so good. I'm really impressed with the place. This is lovely. Let's go downstairs and I'll show you the last room, which is quite cool, and that's the bathroom. Where's my lights? Come on, lights. I don't see a button to turn these stair lights on. They just seem to automatically do it. Unless it's this. Yes. Sorry if I'm breathing heavy, guys. It's so humid. I'm struggling and I've had a chest infection. Right, the last room of the house. The bathroom. Big old sink. The water pressure seems to be better here. And this is the main event, guys. The bathtub. We've got a shower here as well. Big old shower. But this is a cypress wood bathtub. So when I fill it up with hot water, it should have a nice scent to it as well. Yeah, it's really cool. So I'll be having a bath in there tonight. And we can see outside, it's like a little, I don't know, Japanese-esque garden. Little ornament there and stuff. That's cool. Yeah. How nice is that? Awesome. Right, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the tour of the house. I think it's quite an interesting one. An interesting Airbnb, something different other than just a regular little flat or apartment. We've got ourselves a full-on Japanese house. Bit wasted on just myself, not gonna lie. Let me get down here. But actually the table's not too bad. I don't like sitting on the floor usually with a table because it's not that comfortable, because you've got the sunken floor here. Because you've got the sunken floor here, it's quite comfortable. Right, guys, hope you've enjoyed that video. I do have other tours on the channel, such as the tour of my Tokyo apartment, which was actually not bad, but it was compact. It wasn't like this place, and it was definitely more expensive than this one. I have tours of a really nice apartment in Poland actually as well, which was huge actually. It was like a house, it was so big. So yeah, guys, if that interests you, stick around to watch something else, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.